Quit smoking with exercise. When you decide to stop smoking, you'll bring on other changes in your life as well. Smoking is a very addictive habit, meaning that it is very hard to quit. There are a lot of changes that take place, although exercise can be a big help to you when you decide to quit. Try to set a new routine, such as working out or going to the gym. If that isn't possible, you should try waking up earlier and going for a short walk. If you can turn that walk into a run or a jog, it is going to be very stimulating and the best way that you can start your day. Keep in mind that exercise doesn't really mean pumping metal. If you don't have the time to stop by the gym every day, then it isn't really that big of a problem, as you can always choose to work out at home. Whether you choose to work out at home or at a gym, you should always remember that regularity is the key. It isn't getting started that's the difficult part, it's sticking to a regular exercise program that is difficult and proves to be stumbling block for most people. Some people have a great start. They will buy tracksuits, gym wear, running shoes, and a lot of other gear, so their first day at the gym is almost like a celebration. As the days go by, they find it very difficult to meet the demands and their routine will slow down a lot and finally come to complete exercise burnout. One mistake that several people make is choosing the evenings to exercise. If evenings fit your lifestyle, then it's fine. For most people, however, the evening hours are when they are completely pooped. By the evening most of us are drained, and simply too tired for exercise. Therefore, it is always best to set some time aside for exercise in the morning. In the morning, wake up a half an hour or so earlier, put on your shoes, and hit the road. Most roads are less crowded in the morning and less polluted as well, making it a wonderful and relaxing way to start the day. You should also steer clear from the coffee and try tea instead. If you are moving around in the house, try playing music. You can also redecorate your room by adding a few pictures around. When you redecorate, you should get rid of everything that reminds you of smoking. Plan your day where you'll have something fun to do at the end of the day. It doesn't need to be something that involves money, as you don't want to end up bankrupt. Spending time with family, playing games, or going for a walk with the family is all good activities. Watching television doesn't really fit into the list. The reason is that television isn't something that demands a lot of attention. You can easily do something else while you are watching television. You should also make a list of things that build up your stress and try to avoid them. If it isn't possible, you should try to find out some ways to bust stress and use them. Whatever you do, you shouldn't use stress as an excuse to start smoking. There are many other methods that you can use to beat stress. You can try breathing exercises, meditation, or even music. Another great way to beat stress is by using the distressing ball. If you don't have one or access to one, you can always wiggle your fingers and toes. This too is a great and natural method to beat stress.